Model: 2017 Ford Transit L3 rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi H3 camper van spares OR repairs. Body: white, camper. Mileage: 92,765. MOT: the 21st of February 2024. Engine: 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission: 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. There's a good chance one of the pistons has the usual crack in it, could be injector, but buy it on the worst case scenario grin. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, reversing camera, air con, electric windows. This will make a great campervan. The main bits have already been done. Just need finishing grin. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail: £7,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.